Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload multiple photos on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the TikTok app here, and there's a brand new feature that allows you to upload multiple photos to this app. However, the very first thing that we'll do is we'll actually go into our App Store or Google Play Store, and we'll want to type in TikTok. The reason for this is because, as I said, it is a new feature, so we're going to want to update TikTok to the latest version so that we get this feature that I'm going to show you. So you can see right next to TikTok, it says open. Bottom center here, and you can see I can record a video, but if we want to upload multiple photos, we can tap the upload at the bottom right here, and then I'm just going to tap multiple photos here. Say I'm going to select those 3 photos as different photos I want to upload, and then I'll hit next at the bottom right here. And you can see now that I've updated at the very bottom is switch to video mode, or if I tap it, switch to photo mode. So video mode is the traditional mode for TikTok. It just plays a video showing all 3 of those photos. You can't really control it or swipe back and forth. However, if I switch to photo mode, then I, as well as anybody that views this TikTok, can swipe back and forth between these photos however they want. So then I can hit next at the bottom right here, and then on here I can switch it to everyone, can see it, and then I can post this, and it will post these multiple photos or go to my profile here. And you can see now if I go to this, I'll be able to swipe back and forth between these multiple photos, so that all these people can see any given photo that they want, and they can swipe back and forth in any of the given photos. I hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you in the next one.